In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in CutePDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the top here where you can see sign. If for some reason you can't see this, you can go to tools, and then from here, you can click on digital signatures. Now, from here, as you can see, you can save the signed copy of the document as, and you want to, of course, select where you want to save it. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to basically save this as signed like this. There we go. And I'm going to click on save. That's the first thing you have to do. Then what you have to do is select a certificate from either a certificate store or from a file.pfx. So I'm going to click on over here. So I'm going to click on select from store, and then you have yours over here. I already have one created, so I'm going to click on this and click on OK. But of course, you can go ahead and create one as well if you want to. It's actually super simple. You just have to put in some of your info and you are good to go. Or of course, you can select a file if you have it. Then here, if you want to add a password to open the digital ID file, you can add that as well. I'm going to add a simple password. And then the reason for signing document could be over here. You can of course do select or edit. You can just type in whatever you want here. The location is optional. Your contact info is optional. And then here you can go and create either a visible signature, or you could go ahead and show a signature on a specific page. Okay. So I'm going to go create an invisible signature over here, and it's not going to show it. Okay. Then I'm going to click on sign and save. And there we go. As you can see, I've successfully signed this document. I'm going to click on OK. And whenever you do this, it's going to allow you to open it. So as you can see, I have this document over here, and now it's been signed and it's not showing the signature. However, if you want to add a signature and also show it, what you have to do here is just basically, of course, click on the button over here to show the signature. So I'm actually going to show you how this looks right now so you can see. There we go. I'm going to just open a password like this, and I'm going to do a show signature on page 1. I'm going to click on edit signature appearance, which allows you to change kind of the size and the position, etc. You could also use no graphic or use an imported graphic. I'm going to do no graphic right now. Okay, and then sign and save. As you can see, the document has been saved. I can now go ahead and open it, and there we go. It's going to show a signature which looks like this. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.